Necessities palette. I'm going to take the shade On Holiday, which is that cool tone transition shade, with a big fluffy blending brush by Morphe, and it is the JH30. I'm just going to blend this shade all over the crease area. And on a smaller blending brush, this is the JH34, the shade Banter in this top corner, which is a cool tone transition brown shade. So I'm just going to blend this right into my crease area, keeping it low. I'm then going to go in with the shade Act a Fool, which is that deep purple shade. And I will be using a Morphe JH40, which is a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to set this really low in the crease. Just going to blend out the edges at the top here. That same blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Taboo, which is that deep dark brown color. Keeping this on the outer V area. I'm going to take a Morphe JH41. I'm going to wet my brush and go in with the shade Rumored, which is that beautiful cold tone shimmer shade. Now I'm gonna wing my eyeliner with the Clinique Pretty Easy. Gonna go with some Urban Decay 24/7 Prevision eyeliner on my waterline. Small blending brush. This is the Morphe GH40, which is that deep plum shade. I'm gonna take that and blend it underneath my bottom. Eyeshadow brush. This is the Morphe GH42. I'm gonna take the shade Full Exposure, which is that white vanilla shade, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. And with that same small brush, the shade Idle Hour, which is that beautiful shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that into my inner corner. And now I'm going to put on some mascara and some false lashes. Wearing Stila's Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Carmelo. It's kind of like a cool tone purpley pink shade, which I think flatters this. Some iconic London lip gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. This is a plumping gloss and I absolutely love this stuff. Got this in my BoxyCharm. By the way, BoxyCharm is amazing. If you don't have it, you should. And this is just gonna give a nude touch to my lipstick and make it super plumpy.